Hey, we're camping out. We're in St. Mary's, Georgia today, and I'm going to smoke up some Cornish hens. I got a new rub I'm going to try out, and I'm making a brand new sauce. It's got honey, soy sauce, and rum in it. It's going to be awesome. I hope you stay with me. I got 2 Cornish game hens here, right? What we're going to do is just put a binder on them. You could do a little duck fat, you could do a little Pam, whatever you want. Just want something to hold this seasoning. Now, both of these Cornish hens were, I think it was 2.5 pounds combined. So they're, what's that? That's like 1.25 pounds. There we go. All right. Now we got this J.M. Thomason bourbon BBQ Rub. Let me get that glove off. That's the one I touched the chicken with. All right. I've already opened it up here. Now I'm just going to sprinkle this on. If you want to know more about this rub, I'll put a link so you can read about it. Look at that. It's got paprika and it's got some big grain in it, salt, sugar, a bunch of other goodies. And just going to season up both sides, right? And then we'll get over to the pit barrel. I happen to have some hickory wood chips here in my camper. I'm just going to sprinkle some of those around. I don't have any wood chunks, but I don't think it's going to take too long for this to cook anyway, and I think the smoke will be just fine. Now, you could hang these guys if that's what you wanted to do. I didn't bring any hooks, so what we're going to do is just sit them on the racks, get the lid on it, let these guys smoke. And then I also want to get a temp probe in here, right? Just so we can keep track of what's going on. Been an hour. This chicken's 155. That's 1 cup of rum. Sorry, that's 1/2 cup of rum. That's a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Here I got about 1/2 cup of honey. You can see it's starting to crystallize, but that won't be any problem. It'll loosen up as soon as it gets this heat. And let me just get the rest of this honey out of here. You can see we got a good simmer going here. I just want to taste this. I'm thinking I might need just a little bit more honey. Yeah, I just want a little bit more. I want this to kind of be a sweet soy. So total honey, probably 3/4 of a cup. Now all I'm going to do is sit here for about 10 minutes, simmering this. You can see it's pretty thin. You see how thin it is? We're going to thicken it up and get ready to glaze those Cornish hens. It's been an hour and 15. Sorry about my dog there. It's been an hour and 15 minutes. Chicken's up to 160. We're going to chicken, Cornish hens, whatever you want to call it. We're going to glaze these bad boys up and then take it on up to 165. They got some nice color, don't it? Let's get the lid back on and let it keep going. It's been 10 minutes. Look at the color, all right? What I'm going to do here is just flip these little Cornish hens over. And you know what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to glaze this other side. Ooh. I'm going to glaze this other side. Oh, they're about done. It is not going to take much at all here. Just look at that. And I think probably I'm going to take about 15 more minutes. We're probably looking at an hour and a half total. We'll check the temp before we take them off, but that's just my guess right now. And let me get this thermometer back in it, just so we can keep a close eye. Get the lid on it. Let's let it go a little bit more. Guys, it's pouring down rain. Got my camera equipment underneath the canopy here. I hope you can see that. It's getting cold. It's raining. Look, I got a guest that showed up. Weather has turned out crappy. You probably hear the rain in the background. Cornish hens look good though, don't they?
I showed up to eat.
Let's slice one open. Guys, the temperatures drop like 10, 15 degrees here. She still comes out when
He starves me
it's
all
time
day.
to eat. How about that? Pick you off a piece.
Right, that's not good.
Yeah, don't eat the bone.
Yeah, okay. Don't eat the bone.
Oh, yummy. Oh, yummy.
That's super good.
Okay, let's try a little bit of this skin. Here,
That's super yummy.
you want a bite? There, you take you a bite right there. I know you like that.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Got a mild smoke flavor. I'm sorry, a bit of bone.
Did you use something cherry?
I did not.
What is that flavor?
I used a new J.M. Thomason BBQ Rub.
It's yummy.
That's soy honey
Oh,
barbecue sauce.
that's what the sweetness is. That's good.
I gotta tell you what, I'd make this again, whether it's Cornish hens, chickens, whatever.
Yeah.
Hey, when the weather turns bad, the show goes on, right?